Google has been launching a lot of AI tools lately. Some are good, some are just okay. But one tool is genuinely different, and many people now believe it might be Google's best AI release so far. It's called NotebookLM, a digital notebook powered by AI. At first, it doesn't sound flashy, it doesn't try to impress you, but as creators, researchers, and students started using it, a clear pattern emerged. They began calling it one of the most practical AI tools Google has built because this tool does something most AI tools don't. It helps you actually understand your information, not just generate more of it. Welcome back to Software for Creators, a channel where we help you create content better, faster, and smarter. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. In this video, I'll show you what NotebookLM actually is and what you can do with it. So stick with this video, even if you think you already know about it, because chances are you're not using it the right way. So, what exactly is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is a free AI tool by Google that acts like your personal AI assistant, helping you do deep research and organize your information easily. The key thing to understand is this: NotebookLM does not search the internet or pull random data. It only knows what you give it. You upload your files, PDFs, documents, websites, YouTube videos, notes, and NotebookLM reads them completely. Then you can talk about your content. You ask questions, you ask for summaries, or you can convert them into visuals, video, or audio overview, and it answers only from your sources. That's what makes it different from tools like ChatGPT. Every answer it gives comes with references, so you can see exactly where that information came from in your files. So next, let's look at how you actually use NotebookLM, step by step, because this is where the tool really starts to make sense. Using NotebookLM is actually very simple. You just go to NotebookLM and create a new notebook. That's it. You land on the dashboard. On the left side, you upload your sources. Click the upload button and add whatever you want: PDFs, documents, YouTube links, or even plain text. You can also add sources directly from the web or from your Google Drive, so you don't even need to download files first. For example, I'll upload Limitless, a book about the brain by Jim Kwik. Once the file is uploaded, you're ready. Now look at the middle of the screen. This is a ChatGPT-like chatbot, powered by Google's Gemini model. You can ask anything. Let's ask for a summary of this book. And instantly, it gives you clear answers with citations. You can click those citations and jump straight to the exact part of the book. That's the real magic. Now that you know how to use the chat, let's move to the next part, the features that make NotebookLM truly different. Before using any feature, one quick thing. Make sure your sources are selected. On the left side, just tick the files you want NotebookLM to use. Once that's done, look at the right side. This is where all the core features are. Let's go through them one by one. First is Audio Overview. Click on it and NotebookLM turns your source, in this case, the Limitless Brain Book, into a podcast-style conversation between two people. You can also choose the language and the type of podcast, such as a deep dive, brief summary, critique, or even a debate. They talk about the ideas, explain concepts in simple language, and connect points naturally. This is perfect if you want to listen instead of read, while walking, driving, or relaxing. Here, listen this.
This is the brief on Jim Kwik's Limitless. Upgrade your brain, learn anything faster. So this book is basically a roadmap for our crazy information-packed world. It all boils down to mastering what's called meta-learning, which is really just learning how to learn, and that's the skill that gives you the ultimate edge.
Next is Video Overview. This creates a short video based on your source. It adds visuals, on-screen text, and voiceover explaining the content. You can choose between two formats, a brief summary or a detailed explainer. It also lets you select different languages and visual styles like anime, whiteboard, and more. The video is simple, but it helps you understand the main ideas faster, especially for long material like books. Look at this.
What if I told you that the single greatest superpower you possess is that 3-pound universe sitting right between your ears? Just imagine for a second, you're a little kid and you hear your teacher say those words about you in front of everyone. That's the boy with a broken brain. I mean, how devastating is that? And this is him. This is Jim Kwik. His story is all about how he learned not just to fix his so-called broken brain, but to make it faster, stronger, and better than he ever imagined. And here's the most important part. His journey is basically a blueprint for how you can do the exact same thing. So Jim's story really kicks off with a head injury back in kindergarten. He was super excited trying to get a look at some firefighters outside his classroom window, and he fell headfirst right into a radiator. The injury was pretty severe. And after that, he just wasn't the same. He couldn't focus, his memory was shot, and learning to read felt totally impossible. He pretty much became an outcast. You know where he found his escape? In the colorful pages of comic books.
Next is Mind Map. Click it, and NotebookLM generates a full mind map from the book. You can expand sections, collapse them, and clearly see how ideas connect. For understanding complex topics like the brain, this is extremely useful. Next are flashcards. It automatically creates flashcards. Question on the front, answer on the back. Great for revision, memory training, or quick recall. Then comes the slide deck, one of the most useful features. NotebookLM converts the book's content into a complete, well-structured presentation from start to finish. You can choose between two options: Presenter, which supports you while you're speaking, and Detailed, which goes deeper into the content. You can also give personal instructions on tone, structure, or focus areas. Look at this. The result is a clean, professional slide deck ready for a real presentation. Next is Infographic. This creates a visual summary of the content. I've also used this with my blog, and it turns long text into something much easier to understand and reuse visually. Then there's Quiz. NotebookLM generates quiz questions directly from the source, perfect for testing how well you actually understood the material. You also get reports and data tables. Reports give you a clean, structured overview. Data tables organize information neatly when the content includes comparisons or data points. And that's it. All these tools work in seconds. All are free, and all are based only on your selected sources. One thing that genuinely surprised me while using NotebookLM was this. I uploaded one of my blogs, and that blog already had images in it. NotebookLM didn't just convert the text into a presentation. It used the images already present in the blog and turned everything into a proper slide deck with visuals. Those visuals, I can reuse them in my blog, in files, or even in presentations. That alone saves a crazy amount of time for bloggers and creators. Another small but smart thing, the quiz feature. When you answer something wrong, it doesn't just say wrong, it corrects you and explains the right answer based on the source. That makes it actually useful for learning, not just testing. You can use it to learn almost anything. Upload a book, notes, or any learning material. Listen to it as a podcast, watch a video overview, test yourself with quizzes, and understand the topic properly. If you're doing research, upload your files and ask direct questions instead of reading everything. If you're a blogger, use it to turn long articles into visuals, slides, and summaries. If you're a student or creator, the combination of podcasts, visuals, and quizzes is where this tool really shines. NotebookLM is a rare hidden gem, AI tool that only comes around once in a while. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you even a little, hit like, subscribe, and comment what tool you want me to test next. See you in the next one.